Welcome to the Hangar6 Welding Shop. We have a variety of equipment available here to all of our members, including a fully functional spray booth, which we are one step away from having full venting, waiting for that last part to be delivered by Amazon this week. Right beside that is our powder coat oven. We have a powder coat kit available in-house. All you have to do is provide your own pigments, and then I can teach you how to powder coat in less than 20 minutes. This is a 500-degree powder coat oven. As you can see, it's oversized. It's 6 feet by 3 feet by 3 feet, so we can handle a variety of large, oversized parts. Right beside that is our abrasive glass cabinet. We provide all the different types of abrasives for this machine. Anything you're interested in, let us know, and we're happy to stock it for you. Beside that is our manual floor bender. This is great for bending a variety of different materials at different angles and for producing curves in metal. And behind these red curtains is our welding setup. So we have a digital MIG and TIG welder here in this corner. We provide all the gas, all the spools, anything you need. All you have to do is wear the right clothing, closed-toed shoes, long pants, long sleeves. I've got the rest of the safety equipment. Provide your metal part, and I'm happy to teach you how to weld so you can produce components on here. Let's head to our wood shop.